I don't want to catch you in this 2026 doing this or this because you want to carve your eyebrows. No, today I'm going to take my time to teach you the proper way on how to carve your eyebrows like a pro. Okay? Class is a section. Get seated. Let's get into it.
Boy, I've been watching you.
Firstly, pick up your what? Spoolie and make sure you lift every strand. Make sure no strand is lying flat. Are you hearing me? Lift every strand. Very important. We'll do this on the other side too. Now you're going to go ahead now to grab your razor blade. As for my own razor, I'm using Tiger. Very sharp razor blade. Do you see how I'm doing my hand? It has to be sharp. Please note this thing. When carving your brows, don't start from the beginning. Don't start from here. Here is where you should focus on. Your brow bone should be your main focus. Okay? So let's start. You take your razor blade. You start. Take your time, don't be in a hurry because you're a beginner, so you don't enjoy yourself and say, I taught you how to use razor blade to carve your brows. Take notes. Gently, gently, you will get it. Remember that practice makes perfection, so when you keep trying, you will get it, but when doing it, please don't be in a hurry. Why this is very okay is because when you remove makeup, you still be like you. Sometimes when people carve their brows sometimes and they are done doing their makeup and they wash it off, they will not be looking bad. You're not supposed to look bad when you remove your makeup. No. So that is why I'm taking my time. Your brow bone should be your main focus. Now, can you see how it is? Then for up parts, you're going to do like this. You are not using your spoolie to raise and cut hairs. You're not doing it in 2026. If I catch you doing it, what you do is use your razor blade as if you are pushing down hairs. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Are you seeing what I'm doing? That's how you do yours. Can you see how this side is looking? Even though I am done doing my makeup and wiping it off, I will still be looking like me. I will not look like somebody else. I will not look bad. Okay, let's do the other side. Now, we'll start again. I'll main focus on the brow bones. Take note. If you not get this side when I was doing it, try and pay attention so you can get this side. Okay? You start. I'm using mirror, that's why I'm looking down. Okay? Don't be in a hurry, like I said, so you don't enjoy yourself. This is a sharp razor blade, very sharp, new one for that matter. Okay? Just take your time, don't be in a hurry. Your main focus should be on the brow bones, okay? Now that you have gotten it, we'll move again to push down. It's as if you are pushing down, you're not using force, so just push down, push down, push down, push down. Now we're going to go ahead to use our spoolie to brush and see how it's looking. Can you see how beautiful it's looking? It's not that hard to do. It's not something that is going to take your time, okay? Can you see how beautiful it is looking? Can you see that my natural hair is still there? I did not remove everything. That is how you should be carving your brows in this 2026. Are you hearing me? It's so simple. just for you to just keep practicing and you will get it. Okay, I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your loved ones. Okay, see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, I remain my humble self, Pamela Chioma, in case I'm meeting me for the first time. Thank you. Bye.